Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So as you know that Gala was in this curve formation, and you can see it was making something like a you could say a U-turn or something, like it's going to the right, and um, logically, we can see how the price has been just like diverting to the right. And recently I told you that in my previous video that it was looking for a breakout. Now breakout are either to the up or the downside. So I can see that it has broken out, excuse me, to the downside, and it is currently sitting at the 55 moving average in the 4-hourly time frame. Now we can build a case, where it has broken this, even if we would have said that it's in a this descending triangle, and it has broken that. We can also look at it as this over here, okay, where it might be in a bigger descending triangle. Okay, overall descending triangles are bearish patterns, and when they form at the very top of the price action, it's maybe a time for a little bit of a pullback, and when any coin has a run like that, it's always healthy to have a little bit of a pullback, because I've been covering, well, since it was at like right over there, well, before it was listed on Coinbase, and I always thought there's a huge potential with this coin. So, and you can see the volume has been, declining as well. Look at that. Volume is going down. We want to see volume go up in order to break it and go to the upside. So now what? Now, even if we build a case that, it was over here, touch, breakout, and then now it's at the 55 moving average. So that's a good sign, if it can, just bounce back, because Bitcoin overall, it's a little bit in a gray area, where it doesn't want to know that the where it wants to go and where it wants to take the market, unless you're Matic, so if we bring um, the support here, so you could say we're doing something like this, and then, so we are right over here. If, Gala fails to hold this level, or maybe have a little bit of a, like the upside, there's that, but if it fails to hold this level, that Gala is gonna come down. And where does it come down to? It comes down to the 100 moving average, okay? And this is the support for it, okay? I'll just give it to you right over there, okay? And even if you measure this move, let's measure it to see, coming out over here, but I would say no, maybe a wick over there and then come up, and this support is going to come into play. Now, if you take a look at the RSI, let me just take that off because I was testing something. I take all of this off, okay? So you can see, with the price and the RSI, where the price, it's been creating a bearish divergence all this time. Finally, it has kind of broken out of it, so it did this, did that, in this channel, and that had held support here and it right over there, and then it went up. Okay, so all you want to do is come over here, and then it has recently broken this resistance line, so it did, and now it's trying to hold support right over here. Okay, now if it breaks this level, okay, and the RSI breaks this support here, okay, that should tell you that the price is coming further down. Okay, now then it is going to look for its support, you see, mm, right over there. You can build a case that's the next support. Okay, now that's going to be a good sign in my viewpoint, because this pullback, it's kind of healthy for Gala. If it happens, I'm not saying it will happen. If it happens, uh, because a lot of people are planning on accumulating Gala at the lower prices, because obviously, they have a good project in line, you know, and Gala games, and especially Gala nodes, and upcoming Gala event, Galaverse. So things are looking good for Gala in the long run. But in the price action, the price, this pullback might be able to come here if it breaks this line, because you can see where the 100 moving average is. Now, if Gala decides to go up, okay, then you can see something like this. Touch. You can see where this cursor is in the RSI. Just keep an eye. Then it's gonna come up and it's gonna try to break this resistance. Okay. First, it has to battle this area over here. Okay, which will break this resistance. Then you see where uh, this upper resistance line is, the long one. Then after it breaks this resistance, okay, this price is gonna go up, touch this, and then it has to break this long-term resistance as well, which is this over here. Okay, then it can move up like that. Okay, but if things don't work out in that way, in the bullish manner, then it can break right over there, come back. I'm sorry, my mic just went off. So yeah, it can come over here and find support here. Okay, because if you look in the daily time frame, this can clearly make some sense, because look where the 20 moving average is. Okay, and it can come down, find it's gonna bounce from here, I'll tell you that, bounce, and then come and retest probably this support line over here. But yeah, guys, I mean, overall things are looking for good for Gala, and I think it's a very healthy pullback. If it happens, if the market sentiments get bullish, then it's gonna break this area, and then move forward with it. But if you look in the daily RSI, if you just hide the hide drawings, okay, you can see where the RSI was. It was at the 94, so that was pretty high. Okay, so it might come here. It's testing, these areas now, but it will come down. Stochastic is bottomed out, but yeah, I think it's pretty healthy what's going on. Okay, and you can also build a case it's doing something like this, because normally what happens is when an ascending triangle fails, okay, it turns into a, look at that, it turns into a, let's take all of this off, falling wedge. Okay, and you can build a case where if it turns into a falling wedge, then you can know that this 20 moving average is going to do something like this and force this price to break out somewhere over there. So I think it's a very healthy thing what's going on with the Gala at the moment. We just want the market sentiments to get bullish and go from there. Okay, guys, this was a kind of a long video for Gala, but hopefully there you found some information and knowledge from it. And kindly subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers. I want to get monetized and just keep making these great videos and go from there. Thank you so much. Have a good day.